Hi everyone. Welcome to Libra Computers, where learning is fun. In the previous lesson, we had covered rectangle tool, 3-point rectangle tool, and shape tool. So in this lesson we will continue with some more basic shape tools. Let's start with the next tools, that is, ellipse tools. These two tools allow you to draw perfect ellipses. They result in exactly the same ellipse, the difference lies in how you use them, so there is no reason to use them both, just use the one you like best. To draw an ellipse, using ellipse tool by dragging diagonally. Open the ellipse flyout, click the ellipse tool, and drag where you want to place it. To change the ellipse into a pie shape, or an arc, click the pie button, or the arc button on the property bar. You can also change the start and end angle of the arc or the pie from the properties bar like this. To draw an ellipse using 3-point ellipse tool, click the 3-point ellipse tool, and drag in the drawing window to draw the center line of the ellipse at the angle you want. Next, move the pointer to define the height of the ellipse, and click. Here are some quick tips for you. The center line runs through the center of the ellipse, and determines its width. Holding down Ctrl while dragging with the ellipse tool draws a circle, while holding down Shift draws an ellipse from the center. The next set of tools are Polygon and stars. You can draw symmetrical polygons and two types of stars, perfect star, which have a traditional star appearance, and complex star, which have intersecting sides. With perfect star, you can apply a fill to the entire star shape. With complex star, you can produce unique results when you apply a fill. The tools you need to create polygons and stars are located on the object flyout. To draw a polygon, click the Polygon tool, and drag in the drawing window until the polygon is the size you want. To draw a perfect star, click the Star tool, and drag in the drawing window until the star is the size you want. You can increase the points or sides of the star from the properties bar, and also the sharpness of the star. To draw a complex star, click the Complex Star tool, and drag in the drawing window until the star is the size you want. You can change the points or sides of the complex star, and the sharpness in the properties bar. The next tool is Spiral tool. This tool lets you draw symmetrical and logarithmic spirals. In spiral revolutions you can set the number of full circle revolutions to appear in new spiral objects. There are two types of spirals, that is symmetrical spiral and logarithmic spirals. In symmetrical spiral, you can apply even revolution spacing to new spiral objects. In logarithmic spiral, you can apply tighter revolution spacing in new spiral objects. The last category of shape tools are common shapes. This tool helps you to select from a complete set of forms. That is the Basic Shapes tool. It lets you choose from a full set of shapes, including hexagram, a smiley face, and a right angle triangle. The Arrow Shapes tool lets you draw arrows of various shape, direction, and number of heads. The Flowchart Shapes tool lets you draw flowchart symbols. The Banner Shapes tool lets you draw ribbon objects and explosion shapes. And the last one, Callout Shapes tool. This tool lets you draw callouts and labels. In this session, we have covered the following shape tools: Ellipse tool, 3-point ellipse tool, Polygon tool, Star tool, Complex star tool, Spiral tool, and Common shapes tool. Ellipse tool lets you draw ellipses and circles. The 3-point ellipse tool lets you draw ellipses at an angle. Polygon tool lets you draw symmetrical polygons and stars. Star tool lets you draw perfect stars. Complex star tool lets you draw complex stars that have intersecting sides. The spiral tool lets you draw symmetrical and logarithmic spirals. Common shapes tool helps you to select from a complete set of forms, such as a right angle triangle, smiley face, and a hexagram. You can draw arrows and slanted rectangles. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.